Good day, you guys, and welcome back to Rise, Wine, and Dine. Today in our kitchen, we're going to make some Christmas pretzel treats. So for this recipe, all you need are some pretzels. We're going to go ahead and line our parchment sheet with some pretzels. These are the tiny pretzels, the small pretzels. So now that we have all of our pretzels on our silicone baking sheet, we're going to add on top of each one, we're going to add some chewy caramel candies, whatever is your favorite. So now that we have our caramels, our chocolate covered caramels on top of our pretzels, we're going to place our baking sheet into our preheated oven on 350 degrees for about 3 minutes. And when they're done, we're going to come back and show you what they look like. Okay, so we've just taken our pretzels out of the oven. Our chocolate caramels are melted. We're now going to take pistachios. They are green. And we're going to place them inside of each little caramel, chocolate caramel. And that's how quick and easy this recipe is. Sometimes the caramels want to go to the side like this, of course. While they're warm, you just put your pistachios right into the caramel. And the green is a nice touch for Christmas in the pistachios. Especially if you have any that are like this, that are just broken in two. Just pop it right in the center and it gives that green, beautiful effect. So there is your finished product. These pretzels can be made with any chocolatey caramel type of chocolate caramel. It could be made just with the caramels that you can buy singly, individually wrapped. They can also be topped with any nut of your choice, pistachio as you've seen in this video, pecan, walnut, a regular peanut, a cashew if you choose. So anyway, we hope you really enjoyed this recipe today. It's a quick and easy 3-ingredient recipe. If you enjoyed this video today, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more recipes like this one here on Rise, Wine, and Dine. And make sure to share this video with your family and friends. And don't forget to leave us a comment down below to let us know what you thought of the video today. Have a great day, everybody. Enjoy! Super good. Super good. So yummy.